Alright, so the night before I used the Shea moisture, and now I'm going with this Argan oil, edge control, and this Aussie hairspray. And those are the products I use, and these strips too. These are just tied down the hair, so it stays in place. You don't need them. You can use a hair tie. And this brush, I know it's dirty or it has hair on it because I used it, but yes, I'm gonna go in with this hair right here, and everything will be in the description box, of course. And I'm gonna start by separating the hair. And I'm just tying a knot so the hair is all together. I am tying a knot. And there it is. I'm tying a knot and just putting, just so the hair is all together in like a bundle, just so you can tie it like a hair tie. I think that this is way easier. And I used a little mannequin head secure thing, but you can use like a door to hold your tie, anything you can to hold it, just so you can separate the hair. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just separating the hair, just so it's a lot bigger and it's in its good form, and plus we'll be curling it later. So this is what it looks like when it's separated. See, it's nice and big and fluffy. And I'm gonna take this perm rod right here. Make sure you follow me on Facebook if you don't already, and lights up. And I am taking the perm rods. I'm taking like a good amount of hair, you know, like not too much but not too little. And full disclosure, this is like Marley hair, and it says in the box like your hair, so it will mat up a little bit, just, you know, just something to know. And you're just gonna take that hair and curl it in, and you're gonna do this in different sections. You're gonna take that and you're just curling that in like so, and you're just gonna close it. And that is all you're going to do to the rest of the hair. You're just going to be taking it and closing it. So I'm going to take another one. Take a different section. And I know I've been doing a lot of voiceovers last few videos, but my next one, it will be live in person. Or in real time, right? That's what you're saying. Alright, so I'm taking the different sections again, and this is of course in fast forward mode, because I mean, I know you're not trying to sit here and watch this whole thing. So I'm separating some of the hair I had in before, and I'm just tying it. And I'm basically doing this to the whole hair, and here it is. It's gonna look like a little animal, doesn't it though? So you're gonna take this, and you are gonna take some hot water. And if you of course don't have this little warmer thing, you can just warm it on the stove with the pot. The point is, it just needs to be hot water, because with Marley hair, when you put it in hot water, it automatically sets into whatever you're putting it with, right? So if you're putting little rods, it's gonna automatically set those rods. So it doesn't really need waiting time. I know people like to wait like 2 hours, but as soon as you get it in there and you make it hot, I'd say wait or put it in there for at least maybe 30 seconds. Not too long. So I'm using this rack comb to just push the hair in, because I don't want to touch it, of course. It's hot. And I'm just dipping it in there. And you're going to get a towel, as you can see, and get your hair out. Get your little animal out. And you're just gonna put it in a towel. So all we're doing is drying it. There it is. And I am just gonna dry it. Follow me on Insta if you don't already. And I'm just drying it. And there it is. And this is the finished product after I undid it. And of course my hair is undone too. So my hair is super short. I cut it not too long ago because I was trying to start over. But that's why this hairstyle is really like short hair girl friendly. And there it is. They're the curls. They're not too dramatic. They're just kind of regular curls. I just wanted I want them to be loose, you know what I mean? So this is my hair. This is what I'm working with. You know, I ain't working with too much because I cut my hair not too long ago. So this is the back of it. And again, I had put the moisturizer, the leave-in conditioner the night before, and I use this rat comb to just section the middle of it. And this, I'm just showing you my hair and how I'm dividing it. So to gel this, because my hair is shorter than most, or short period, I'm going to divide it into 2 different sections, or 3 actually. So I'm going to start off with the back. I'm going to use that much gel, and that's some edge control, and I'm just putting it all over, as you can see. I'm putting it all over. And you're going to need a lot of this product. And I would actually also use Eco Styler gel. If I'd go back, I'd use Eco Styler gel just to save myself some of my edge control. I'd use a lot of Eco Styler gel. So if you are watching and you're in this position, just use Eco Styler gel. Just use a lot more of it than the edge control. And I'm take this hairspray. So I could have used more Eco Styler gel and saved myself using what's it called, gel, using the edge control. So I go back and I do this again. That's what I do. So there it is. Looks pretty straight, and it looks white right now, but don't worry, girl, we'll fix that. So I am excuse me, I am gelling this down. I'm using this Detangling Brush. Best brush I've ever used. It was like $5 at a hair beauty supply store. Highly suggest it. And it's called Detangling Brush. And I'm take the hairspray again. So you're using a lot of products. I think, to me, I don't ever use this many products in my hair, but I think you're using a lot of products for this hairstyle. So just know that if you're not a product person and you don't like putting a lot of stuff in your hair, just know you're using a lot of products. So I'm just gonna pull it back with a hair tie. So I actually went and removed the hair tie that was at the bottom, so I could put it all together. The only reason I used that hair tie at the bottom is to put it all together. So the hair is tied. I'm doing my edges, and I've done a long video, or a video specifically about edges that's doing really well. I'm really surprised how interested people are about edges. It has like 90,000 or 94,000 views, which is shocking. Thank you so much. But go watch that video. Apparently that's something that people really liked. So I would suggest, and I'll put that the card on the top right, so you can go watch that video, and I go more in depth about my edges. So these are the little wraps. They were $1, I want to say, at the beauty supply store. These are not necessary. I do find that they really lay down the hair, but you can of course use just a scarf. It works just as good, or good enough, I'd say. This, and I'm just tying it down, as you can see. So I tied this down. I kept this in for about, I want to say 45 minutes, just to make sure it's tied. And this is the final product right here. I think my edges, I have 4C hair, so I think they're pretty laid for 4C. And here it is. I really love this hair. I love this hairstyle. I think this was the first time I tried it in a really long time, if at all. I actually can't even remember if I have ever done this to my hair, but I really loved it. It's a really simple hairstyle, and if you haven't, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe below if you like this video. I'm Yvonne, and I'm still polishing this gold, and I hope you continue to do so too. See you next time. Make sure to watch my other videos too, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.